All right, let's learn how to use tab groups on Android. I'm going to demonstrate this in Chrome. Different browsers will handle this differently, but overall the idea is the same regardless of your browser. So you're in Chrome and you have multiple tabs open. Up in the top right corner, you can view all your open tabs, and most people will just open a bunch of tabs here in one big pile. Top of your screen towards the middle, there's a switch to either show your tabs or your tab groups. You can use the blue plus icon to create a group. Or if you're on the previous page, you can tap the three dots and choose New Tab Group. Then you can give your group a name and pick a color. I'll make a group for my tech-related tabs just to demonstrate this. Then let's go ahead and open one tab here. I know we're doing an Android tutorial here, but I'm just going to pop open apple.com, because why not? You'll see a new section has appeared on the bottom of my screen. That's the tab group I'm currently looking at. I can use the plus icon on the bottom to add more tabs into this group. I'll go ahead and open a couple of different tabs, and you'll see how they all get grouped together on the bottom of my screen, where I can then easily jump between the tabs by tapping the little preview icon. If I use the controls on the top of my screen, it'll view my regular tabs as well as my blue group that I just created. Or I can tap the switch in the middle and only view my tab groups, which I can then access here and open any tabs that are included in that group. You can also add any existing tab to a group. Tap the three dots up top and choose Add Tab to Group, and then choose the group where you'd like that tab to go. In the tab overview, you can use the three dots in the corner of your tab group to close, rename, or delete that group. Closing, for example, will close the group and all its tabs, but if I go pull up that tab group later, my phone will remember everything that was included in it, and I can easily reopen the whole group from here. And that's how you use tab groups. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy and quick tutorials like this one.